The Ponsse Scorpion King, a true legend in the forest. Its three-frame design gives it stability and insane maneuverability. The operator gets a perfect 360-degree view with total control. Active crane makes the boom move smooth and effortless. Add the Opti system and a powerful engine, and you've got a machine ready for the harshest conditions. This is not just a harvester. It's precision, comfort, and raw power, all in one. The Hucky Pilka 38 Pro turns heavy woodwork into an easy job. Small but tough, it cuts and splits logs fast, safe and almost fully automatic. You don't waste time. You don't waste energy. The machine does it all. Strong, reliable, and built for years of use. It's perfect for pros and private owners alike. The 38 Pro is a simple answer when you want speed, safety, and efficiency in one smart firewood processor. Meet the Japa 435, the next level of firewood processing. It cuts, splits, and cleans wood in one seamless system. Logs feed in smoothly, blades cut with precision, and the splitter delivers raw power. The result? Clean, ready firewood with almost no waste. Compact, fast, and incredibly reliable. The 435 turns tough, dirty work into a quick, efficient process. This is the professional's choice when time and performance really matter. The Fecon FTX300 is built for one thing: domination. A tracked beast with a massive mulcher, it shreds brush, trees, and dense vegetation with ease. No terrain is too rough, no slope too steep. Inside, the operator sits in comfort with smooth hydraulics and pinpoint control. For construction crews, utility work, or forestry, the FTX300 clears land fast and with brutal efficiency. It's not just powerful, it's unstoppable. The Prinoth Raptor 300, tough, reliable, and made for the hardest jobs. This tracked mulcher eats through forests, rough terrain, and massive workloads without slowing down. Its engine is raw strength, its hydraulics built for non-stop performance, and yet it handles with surprising precision. That balance of power and control makes it the ultimate choice for professionals. If you need land cleared, the Raptor 300 is the machine to do it. The John Deere 768 L-2 is a forest giant. Built for slopes, hills, and deep woods, it combines a powerful engine with perfect balance. The cab gives nearly 360-degree visibility, so operators see everything, control everything. Stability, comfort, and strength come together in one machine. With advanced electronics and simple joystick control, it works faster, safer, and smarter. The 768 L-2 isn't just another forwarder. It's John Deere power at its finest. These machines are more than tools. They are game changers. They clear, cut, and conquer where no ordinary equipment dares to go. Each one is a perfect mix of power, endurance, and innovation, designed to push the limits of what's possible. Which of these giants impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit subscribe and stay tuned, because the world of heavy machinery has much more to show.